Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Use Basics. Today we are going to learn how to turn off Zoom on Google Chrome. Turn off or reset the Zoom features in Google Chrome. Set it back to the default 100. You can either adjust the global settings or use shortcut to reset the zoom level for individual page. Here's how you can do it. Option 1 is reset zoom for all pages by going to settings. By clicking on 3 vertical dots on the top right corner of Google Chrome, you can see the option of settings in the drop down menu, and then go to appearance section. Here you can see it. Now tap on find the page zoom option. Set it to 100 by selecting it from the drop down menu. This will apply the default zoom level 100 to all pages you visited, effectively turning off zoom adjustment. Second option is reset zoom for the current page only. Use keyboard shortcut, press Ctrl+0 on window, then your zoom level will turn into 100% from the current. Click the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner and click on the drop down menu zoom option with the plus and minus sign next to it. Click the rest icon. It looks like a magnifying glass. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.